Where is he?
In the washer, in the dryer.
Is it a big bird?
It's a regular sized sparrow.
There's a sparrow in our dryer.
My eye is on the sparrow. And I'm watching over it. I don't think my hand's gonna fit through there. Huh? I wonder if he'll beak me. I wonder if there are more birds about to fly out there.
How far is your arm in there?
Almost all the way. Not far enough. He's eyeing me. I think he likes me. Oh. Well, it'll be... We could... tilt him out.
Huh?
We could tilt him out. Let gravity do the work for us.
You want to tilt this big old dryer?
Yeah.
And how are we going to catch the bird?
Are you sure there's nothing left in that tube?
No. Ugh. You said you see the bird.
I do, but it might be a flock or something.
No, there's nothing but dust in the tube.
Alright, let's knock the dust out the tube, and then we'll tilt the dryer back and try to get him in here. Or into my hand.